intro yet. So, hi guys.
It's me with my best friend. Totally. And
You're not gonna
I'm
be able
totally,
to
for
hear
some
me.
reason, got pushed back into tears.
Huh? Bro, I think my volume is too loud. I'm gonna turn it down a tiny bit. Okay, there. Ooh, honey.
Did you start? Did you start? Did you start?
Yeah, it's been started.
Oh! This is so poggers. Yeah. I'm done. No, I quit. I quit my job.
You don't even have a job.
Oh, I'm sleep deprived. That's my job. Someone sent me a trade request. What do I do?
Don't
Oh,
accept
no,
it.
I couldn't accept it. When are you gonna get trade requests?
I don't know.
Hold up, intermission.
Hmm? Okay, so, we had like a little bit of technical difficulties.
I took off headphones, game completely blacked out. I was too stunned to speak. The woman was also too stunned to speak. Hold on. I'm gonna make you rich. Hold on. Yummy! This is my girl dinner.
This is
Every
making
day.
me laugh.
Every day I sit down and think,
This is
what
my
have I
meal.
done?
I call it girl dinner. Girl dinner.
I am
Girl.
contemplating.
Bro, from that honey storm, my internet sucks. Like, you'll see it if it. If you watch this video, you'll see, like, on how bad it is. Like, depends, though.
Me? Yo, guys, check this out. Isn't this so poggers? I quit. That's it. I'm getting blueberries from the blueberry dispenser. I'm done. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Okay, we're gonna go back. My ears hurt from my headphones.
Should I get the bubble wand?
Oh, if you want. I'm gonna take off my headphones
The bubble
for a
wand is
second.
worst one I have. Nah. I think the bubble wand's worse than the honey stick. So.
This video won't be too long due to my voice hurting.
Whoa, what is this? Who's a king beetle? What is a king beetle? What is a king beetle?
I don't know.
Song name? I have no idea. No idea what the song name is. Good day, sir. Good day, sir. It's nice to be British. Ah! Isn't it nice to be British, bucko?
Pretty sure that last night I joined you in this game.
Oi, mate, I'm being attacked. And a friend of mine just joined, and I have no idea who they are. I'm not British.
Oh, I thought it was that big black.
You don't have to arrest me. No. 5 royal jellies, 5 tickets, 1 red extract, 1 blue extract, 100 treats, and 500,000 honey. I'm rich.
Help! I'm
Yo,
lagging.
you need to check out this boss.
This honey storm's
Oh.
making me lag so
There
bad.
was a honey storm? Who summoned it? No one. Hey, come here. I have a cool boss fight you can do, and it gets you a lot.
I'm busy
It
right
gets you a
now.
lot of stuff. Mine was at so for me it got me like 5 royal jellies. I don't know if it'll give you the same. Mine was level 7, but it was and it was pretty easy for me, so it might be easy for you because it'll probably be on a different level. You see this
Okay.
patch? Get in there.
Mhm.
Oh, you have a key. It's the same level for you, so you're gonna get the same stuff I did. Just run around in circles and you'll eventually win.
Okay.
That's what I did. Just run around in circles. Hey, it doesn't damage me. I can go inside him. Oh, I'm inside him. That's weird.
Nope, I
Don't go
can't.
by him. All you had to do was circle around. Ah, why did it give me damage?
Okay, I'm gonna do it off of camera because it's so laggy.
Do what?
I'm gonna have to do it off of camera because of how laggy it is.
Why are you lagging so bad?
Because of
You're literally floating. Why are you lagging so bad? What happened to you?
probably because of my recording studio. It's been doing well. Where whenever I open it, it lags. So we're gonna have to end this video soon.
Bro, this is part 2 out of whenever you get 25 Bs. Which will be a long time because eggs cost a lot of honey. And I mean a lot.
Okay,
And I'm not joking.
gonna end this now.
When are we gonna do part 3? Yeah.
We'll plan it. We'll plan it.
Fans want to know.